three things that employers should do, or three things you would like to share employers in terms of why they should have more apprentices, and three things to youth why they should become an apprentice. Maybe that will answer the questions which is there in the chat box right now. So Mr. Khandeja, you, and then Mr. Kandi.
Okay, so on the employer side, look, our problem is pizza. Pizza comes in 30 minutes, so we want everything quick. We need manpower, okay. We need it right now. So if organizations don't get out of this mentality that I need it now. When I was in my earlier organization, what we did was we had to start medical coding in India at a huge scale. So one was you can hire from outside. Second was you don't have those many coders there. So we started with creating our own crop. And when we created our own crop, after 2 years, we were able to see that those were the people who stuck around with us because they saw career with us. They saw this organization as their own organization. Second aspect, if you see, talk about, say, ITES industry and look at their attrition. Everyone will tell you 5% attrition. 5% is monthly, so we are talking about 60% attrition. But if you look at organizations, what have they done differently? They're bringing fresh people from the college, they're training them on their own. So when you build your own crop, chances of you having less attrition are much more. You have better workforce in terms of quality. So when you raise your kids, that time do you look at how much money I am putting in this kid and how much this kid is going to give me back? You basically try to improve life of your own children, and that in turn improves your life. That is what the cycle is. So if we approach apprenticeship, if organizations approach apprenticeship from this view, then it works like what Sitaram was saying. Moment you get into statistics, you lose the essence. And once you lose the essence, then it is a tick mark activity. So importance is not to lose the essence. Another piece from the employee side or from the apprentice side. One is, if you start calling, okay, this guy is an apprentice, it is not giving you social status. So we need to work on this social status thing. Earlier, there was a time when all the actors which were there, they were not respected in the society. Oh, this guy is an actor, looked down upon. To talk about dancing as a profession, people used to look down upon. Now, these are aspirational jobs because you created stars out of them. And that glorification is very much required for this, because unless the job is glorified. I was talking to a Uber driver. So I asked him, you were in the village, so why did you come to Bombay and started driving Uber? Do you earn more money here? He said, sir, money is the same. If I would have done farming, I would have earned the same money. Then I said, then you should go to your home and earn the same money there. He said, sir, there is a difference. Now when I go home, people treat me with respect. People do things for respect, and that is something which we should respect. So if we are able to bring this element from the society side, I believe the problems which youngsters face, those problems will be over. I believe I will stop here and...
Sure. Mr. Kandi, same over to you. Three things that you would like to tell employers why they should have more apprentices, and same for youth.
Yeah. So I'll be quick in telling. The organization should take pride in building careers. So that should be the approach to apprentice. While designing the program, keep in mind that you are taking care of careers of one generation, and that's your obligation and strength. So if this is the essence for building the whole program, the apprenticeship works. That's for the organizations. And for institute, I would say, put the realistic sense. Don't try to hype while they are in college, and then they find it huge difference when they enter into industry. So show them realistic. In the 4 years, show them to learn. So learning capability rather than resisting is. And for students, 1 year in industry, I think this is a golden opportunity. Nothing is at stake, nothing is at risk. Grasp as much as possible. Getting into an industry, can see, being a fresher, being a young, you can ask any question. You can reach out to anyone. Nobody would say no because you are a fresh. So rather than looking apprentice as saying someone, I don't have an experience as a reference, tell proudly that yes, I'm an apprentice, I'm learning. So here is a license for me to ask any question rather than hesitating. I think if 3 of us go with these 3 different mindsets, the apprenticeship program actually will build skill in the society.